XGODY just came out with a new and improved beamer called the A45. This thing is absolutely amazing, especially for the price point. This is a powerful 1080p beamer with the newest tech AI image correction, enhancement, great and vivid colors, sharpness on point, two-way Bluetooth, so pretty much no shortcomings. And moreover, it is also quite a bit brighter than their previous model. So yeah, let's take a look. Got the new drip from XGODY, the A45 beamer. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box, check it out, that's the front. Then we also have this side right here, nice picture on the back. And we have this side with a few specs and awesome features. And on top we also have a nice carrying handle, and bottom is just blank. So let's open it up, just like that. There we have it. So first of all, we can remove this baggie with all the accessories. And here we have it, here we have the beamer. There we go. But before we get to it, let's of course check out the accessories and the manual. So inside of this bag, we have it all basically. So we have the paperwork, this card right here, then a pretty nice looking detailed manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last page. Right on. Then we also get a nice remote control right here, even with a mouse functionality, really cool. And we will need 2 AAA batteries as usual. Then we also have the power cable right here. And lastly, we will also get an HDMI cable. That's right. HDMI cable right there. So to recap, paperwork, HDMI cable, power cable, and the remote. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have it. Let's remove this. So we have the camera for the AI features, the lens is looking dope, and this is a flat beamer. Every other one was like this, but this is like a flat beamer. Yeah, let's go. Looking really cool. Fabric on top. Let's take a close look. So that's the top right there, and it's like a rubbery fabric right here. It's looking like some sort of a small tray where you can put stuff. It's pretty cool. And we have the on-off button right here. And also a control wheel. Then on the front, as I said, we have the sensors on the right, and on the left we have a nice big lens. Then right here we have cooling, and as well as on the back. And here we also have all the I/O ports, Ethernet, USB, AUX, AV, HDMI, and the IR port for the remote of course, and the power port. And we have this on the bottom, that's better actually. So we have the model name, the specs, 4 nice rubber feet, and we also have this. So 4 nice rubber feet and also one in the middle, and there's also a thread if you want to mount it on a tripod or something like that. And that's the filter, the intake filter. That's awesome, you can easily remove it and clean it. We'll just slide in. Not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So 2 AAA batteries for the remote. Would you look at that? This beamer has an integrated power supply, so there is only the power cable. And let's turn it on. All right, there we go. Let me turn off all the lights. So we have the focus dial right here, but we're of course way too close. So let's move it back. Oh yeah, so that's looking good to me. Let's use a dial to get the focus right. And of course we can also use the remote. All right, that's looking good to me. And now look at that, not too bad. Ooh, this car. Actually, this is a nice looking beamer. Great picture quality. So let's start with the remote. We have the on-off button, but let's of course cancel that. We have the source. So we have media, HDMI and AV. Oh, and it's super smooth and snappy. Then we of course have the dial. We also have a mouse right here. Home button, mute button of course, volume rocker and focus. All right, there we go as so. So we have the home, we have apps, video, music, settings. So first of all, to the settings, and let's Wi-Fi settings. Let's of course, first of all, connect to the Wi-Fi password, and let's connect. All right, let's go back to the home. There we go, terms of use. Now we get all the AGBs, TOS. Let's accept all of that. So let's have a walk through the settings. So we have the Wi-Fi settings, then we have the Bluetooth settings. The remote is actually pretty dope. Here we can connect Bluetooth devices. We can select the language, projection settings, autofocus. Oh, that's actually off. Let's turn it on, of course. Oh, that's better, that's perfect. We have the keystone correction, 4 points, all of that good stuff. Projection mode, desktop front, rear, ceiling, rear. So with this we can, you know, switch it up, but that's fine. And we can also adjust the brightness, but we're already at max brightness. Brightness is looking fine to me. And then we have other settings. Boot mode, this is power on standby. Boot settings, external drive. Sleep settings, off is fine, screensaver settings, and HDMI settings right there. And lastly, the system settings, about Android 9 quad core. Okay, and we can also update the firmware right here. Let's see, online, perfect, up to date. So let's go back. There are a few more options right here. So we have the TOS, actually what we just went through, and again, input source right there. So very well. So when we click on the home, we have all those apps right here. So we have YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Disney Plus, and we even have the VLC player installed and tons of other things. As you can see, it's snappy and fast. Love to see that. Let's briefly check out YouTube. But yeah, that's just the standard app. Loading screen right here. Oh, we actually need to download that first, but no problem. Installing, and as you can see, all of that is super fast. And let's see, successful install. And yeah, that's the YouTube app. And of course my camera can't handle it whatsoever. What is it doing? Wow, my goodness. But in real life, the image is looking amazing. This beamer has a great image. And YouTube app is super fast and snappy. Great stuff. Okay, let's go back, and up here we have all the apps. So what did I miss? Bluetooth audio, we also have screencast, all of that good stuff. We even have Plex, very nice, and all of that good stuff. Let's go back. Video, so here we have the top series, movies, genres, and lastly we have music as well. Here are all the genres and all of that good stuff. I like it. So the Beamer OS is fine, that's great to see. First of all, let's get an USB stick and let's plug it in straight to the Beamer. External device connected, input and media, there we go. Orbit, and we have the movies. Great File Explorer, wait, where is it? Videos, there we go. When we press left and right, we can scrub forward, X4, X8, X16. Oh, it's sounding quite nicely actually. Great sound. Play and pause, of course. This image is looking so nice. I love it. The image quality is really good. That is crazy. The sharpness, it's sharp and crisp. That is awesome. So I'm sure that for the next test, it will also perform quite well. And for the next test, we of course, I want to hook up a PC over HDMI and use it as a PC monitor. The HDMI cable was provided, and thanks to the nice build, I can just put the PC right on top of the Beamer. So let's hook up the cable to the Beamer and let's select the right input, HDMI. And there we go, just like that. So let me actually log in. So this Beamer is, well, it has a small footprint, so you can easily bring it with you. And with a small PC like this is perfect for holidays. Once again, my camera has a bit of a problem picking up the dark mode, but the image quality looks really nice. Details are quite sharp. And look at that. Right here, the small letters. You can read it so nicely. Look at that. Great sharpness, great image quality. The fan is quite noticeable.
Everybody wants cryptocurrency.
But as you can hear, when the video is actually playing, then the speaker is definitely loud enough and you won't hear the fan anymore. So yeah, this Beamer can do it all. It's an amazing device, especially for the price point. So big thumbs up from my side. So as you saw, the A45 is powerful on all levels. Great performance, great build quality, nice UI, it's just amazing. While being still super affordable. It is quite bright, so you won't need full darkness to enjoy the great image projections. You can also blow up the image quite a lot. It will still look nice thanks to the great optics that generate great sharpness. When it gets to getting the image in focus, you have a manual mode, a semi-manual mode, and of course also AI-assisted focus. So all these amazing features for only around 200 euros will make this beamer a top contender on the market for sure. I would not be surprised at all if this thing would become the #1 most selling beamer on Amazon pretty soon, especially since the brand is already quite established and has a great reputation as well. Their previous model did really well, and this one is even better. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.